Hello everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. And today I'm getting ready to fix me some breakfast. But after I finish my breakfast, I'm going to show y'all how I decorated my fireplace. I know it's been a little bit, and I know I promised y'all that I was going to do it. So this morning I'm going to try to do it for y'all. Okay, I'll be back. Y'all here with me this morning. I'm just getting ready to have my breakfast. And now I'm about to show y'all my my fireplace. I know I have been promised y'all that I'm going to decorate my fireplace, and I have. But before I do that, I'd like to thank all y'all for being here with me. And I want to just do one shout out to the Rodgers House. I'm gonna put her page up here and over and show her some love. She's just an inspiration person. She's trying to help all the children. She's trying to help everybody. So it wouldn't be right for me to not mention her in this video. So this video is gonna be dedicated to the Rodgers House. Okay, y'all go check her out. Okay, now I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I'm gonna show y'all what I have did. Okay, everyone, so let's begin. I'm gonna start out with my book. A little flower here on the side here, and that just give it more texture. This is my pumpkin that I had said I wasn't going to decorate it, and I wasn't going to change it, and I did. And I painted it white, and then I used some other light gray colors and some black to make these little ridges around it. And then I just left what they had there in the middle. I think that turned out so well. So I'm gonna put this with my decoration. Okay, so this is a DIY little ladder that I made. I think it's real cute. It was just so simple to make, and I said that I want a ladder for my fireplace, and so I made one. And then I wanted some black and white. And this is a scarf. I think my daughter-in-law gave it to me one year. And I never really wore it. So I think I'm gonna use this in my decoration. It is so, so pretty. I just love those colors. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful and soft. So I'm gonna use that. See how pretty that look. I love doing DIYs. It's just so much cheaper. And this is a thrift store find that I had that in my video on the last time. And I'm gonna use that also. And here's some pumpkins that I already had. I'm gonna use these. Okay, I'm gonna use a book for height. And I had an old shallow in my garage that I wasn't using. I said, you know what, I think I'm gonna use this because this kind of matches my mantle. So I'm gonna use this also. I'm gonna use my bless sign. I'm gonna put it right here. Looking good. And then I have my latham that I'm going to use. And I'm gonna place it right here. And let's just give effect that it's behind the window. Then also, I have my little basket here that I made, and I'm gonna put it right here. Pumpkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. So hopefully they still have some more. And I'm just gonna add some little more decoration off into it. Just giving you some ideas on how you can do your fireplace. So I already have my fireplace on. Then I'm gonna use my little sign here that says hello fall. I'm gonna put this right here in front of my fireplace. Okay, so now I'm going to show you all the reveal. Okay, I'll be right back. So this is the reveal of what we did today. Isn't that just simply beautiful? And that scarf has so many beautiful colors in it. I did redo my vase and I just kind of spray painted them black. I don't know if y'all can see them as well, but I just went on and repainted them black. And I think I'm gonna do some more stuff to it, but I did want to show y'all what I did do. And I hope y'all enjoyed this decoration. It's just something simple, just things you can just get around your house and just redo. You don't have to go out and spend a whole lot of money for something that you already have. I bought some things, but it wasn't that expensive. And this is my other vase that I redid. If I can get up close to it. And I'm gonna do some more things to it too, but I just want to show y'all that I did do those. And I hadn't got around to do my candles yet, but I will. So I hope y'all enjoyed everything. I enjoyed this fall decoration. And this is just one of many. I have decorated it so many different ways. And I just didn't know which one to show y'all. But this is just a start. And I do hope y'all enjoyed it. And like I say, always remember that God do love you so much. And so do I. And continue watching the video. I will be showing some close-up pictures that I did do. Okay, I'm going to say bye-bye.